it's Miss Sarah. I'm recording from my home office because the public library still isn't open, but I thought today we could do a simple science experiment together. We are going to make our very own spinning top, and this will teach us a little bit about stored energy and kinetic energy. So what you will need is a CD. You can use any CD works, because one side has the real pretty reflective rainbow side, and the other side will have some type of label, whether it's a recording CD like I have, or an old DVD, or an old music CD that mom and dad might have laying around, or you have laying around. Ask first though. You will need some permanent markers. You will need one marble. You will need some type of lid from either a water bottle or a pop bottle, and then a hot glue gun. Okay, moms and dads should help us with that part. And here we go. The side with the label is going to be considered the back side. We're only going to do a little bit with the marble on this side. The front side, we are going to use our permanent markers to decorate. And I know you guys will do a lot better than I am, but I'm going to do it quick for video purposes. So I'm going to move the camera here so you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to use my permanent markers, and I'm going to make a design on there. And you want to follow the shape of the CD so that when we get to spinning the top, you can see how the patterns change. So we might do some squiggle lines. I might do like a scribbly up and down line. And like I said, you can take your time and make really cool patterns on here. I'm just going quick so that we can get this done in a video. Oh, my marble keeps rolling away. Got some polka dots. I hope everybody has been able to get outside and at least enjoy some of the weather that we've been having. Purple is my favorite color, so I'm going to use it a couple times. And then maybe I'll draw some hearts. Has anybody done heart drawings or cutting out hearts for your windows yet? I've been seeing those all around town for the scavenger hunts. From your cars, of course. I have yet to do my window though. Okay, next comes our hot gluing part. So I have my CDs all decorated with different shapes, patterns. You guys can do whatever you want. You don't have to do the same one. I'm using my cap just as like something to balance my CD on. I'm going to turn my designed side over and place it on top of the cap. And I'm going to use the hot glue gun to put some glue on my marble. And then I am going to set the marble right in the center of my CD on the back side where the label is. I might need a little bit more hot glue. And it dries pretty quickly. Oop, my glue kind of snuck out onto my cap already. It knew my next step. I'm going to use this hot glue gun, and I'm going to put some hot glue around the edge of my cap. I'm going to take it on my design side and glue the lid right over the top of that marble. I'm going to hold it there for a few seconds and get all the hot glue hair off of there. Oh my. Make sure a parent's helping you do this. And now I have the marble on the label side, my cap on the decorated side. And so when you initially spin this top, you're turning the top stored energy, which is called potential energy, into the energy of motion or kinetic energy. Okay, so let's do that. Let's see, my top is spinning. The top will eventually stop spinning because of friction and gravity. The surface, my table, is providing some friction, and eventually is going to cause the top to slow down, and the top will start to wobble as it's starting to do now. And as it begins to wobble, once it slows completely down, this pretty smooth surface, I'm about to go off the table here, it'll start to tilt. See how it's tilting? And this is allowing gravity to pull it over and eventually slow it. So there you have it. Your own homemade spinner. Super fun, super easy, and things around the house. Until next time, guys. See you.